Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, how to resell items for profit. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash or start a side hustle, reselling can be a fantastic way to achieve your financial goals. Let's jump right in. Step 1 is finding the right items to resell. This is where the magic begins. Here are some great places to start. 1. Thrift stores *. Check out local thrift stores for hidden gems. Look for branded clothing, vintage items, and unique finds. 2. Garage sales and estate sales *. These can be gold mines for resellers. Arrive early to snag the best deals. 3. Online marketplaces *. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist are perfect for finding items to flip. 4. Retail clearance sections *. Keep an eye on clearance sections in stores. You can often find items at a fraction of their original price. Step 2 is all about research and pricing. You need to know the value of the items you're reselling. Here's how. 1. Research similar items *. Look up similar items on eBay or other platforms to see their selling prices. 2. Check completed listings *. Focus on completed listings to understand what items actually sold for. 3. Consider condition *. The condition of the item greatly impacts its value. Be honest in your listings about any wear and tear. 4. Set competitive prices *. Price your items competitively to attract buyers, but ensure you're making a profit. Step 3 is listing your items effectively. A well-crafted listing can make all the difference. Follow these tips. 1. Clear photos *. Take clear, well-lit photos from multiple angles. Highlight any unique features or flaws. 2. Detailed descriptions *. Provide detailed descriptions, including brand, size, condition, and any relevant information. 3. Keywords *. Use relevant keywords in your title and description to help buyers find your items. 4. Price strategically *. Consider using auction-style listings for rare items or buy-it-now options for quick sales. Step 4 is all about shipping and customer service. Ensuring a smooth transaction can lead to repeat business and positive reviews. 1. Packaging *. Package items securely to prevent damage during transit. 2. Shipping options *. Offer multiple shipping options to accommodate buyers' preferences. 3. Communication *. Communicate promptly with buyers and provide tracking information. 4. Customer service *. Be responsive and polite in all interactions. Great customer service can set you apart from other sellers. And there you have it. With these 4 steps, you're on your way to becoming a successful reseller. Remember, it takes time and effort, but the rewards can be well worth it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share your reselling experiences in the comments below. Happy reselling!